Yo, what's up YouTube? We brought this spray paint. It's called Paint Factory Neon Blue Spray Paint. Highly visible, ideal for hazards and obstacles, tough formation, extra bright, matte finish. Right, so this, obviously I brought from eBay, but no one's ever done a review on this Paint Factory brand. Right, we're in my garage, right? It's very dirty in here, you know, right? But we got a bike frame, right? So, as the bike frame has got white primer on, right? We're going to use this neon blue spray. Obviously, we've pre-warmed the can. The can's quite warm, yeah? So we get a better spray effect. So, we're obviously not using no mask because we're a rebel, yeah? And we're going to see what this looks like, right? So, to be fair, it's looking not too bad right now, right? But obviously we're going to have to layer some coats on it, right? We'll go a bit closer, right? So this is what it's looking like, right? I'll have to do a final video on when we've done the whole thing, and then we can tell you what we reckon to it, yeah? So we're just going over, like, with a little bit of a dusting right now, to see what it's quite some toxic paint, yeah, so we probably need to put some stuff on, but we'll let you know as we get on with it, yeah, because this is just like a test, right? So, you know, when we come back here, we'll have a proper review on this Paint Factory Neon Blue. Thanks for watching the video, peace.